Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We have here Weapon X and we also have here Deadpool. So we're going to take a look at, once again, Deadpool Weapon X boosters. Let's go! Okay, so we have once again here two boosters of the latest Heroclix Deadpool Weapon X set. And you can see that they are already opened because these are boosters I got from the Lucky Dice Cafe Brick Break. Okay, so I joined once again, second time and second week of me joining the Brick Break. So this was done 6 June 28, 2024, and I got booster number 8 and booster number 19. So let's take a look at what I pulled. Finally, I got the boosters after a month. Okay. The first booster we have here, the Bob, Agent of Hydra. I don't have this yet, so that's a good thing. Forge, rare. Already have that, but it's a good figure. We have the Black Widow. We have Lady Mastermind, and we have the Deadpool common. Okay, so let's check if the cards are here. As I said, I don't have Bob yet on my collection. So let's take a look at him. He is set number 30, AIM, Deadpool Core, Hydra Soldier, and one trait, do you offer Dental, Deadpool? Friendly characters within range that have the Deadpool Core or Hydra keyword has the Hydra team ability and a special defense, damage power rather. Cowardice is the better part of Valor. Prob control, but only if an opposing character is within range and line of fire. So he needs to be within 4 squares and able to see an opponent so that he can use a prob. 30 points though for 5 clicks is good with sidestep and energy explosion, willpower, and stealth towards the end. Hydra team ability is also useful in, I guess, sealed, and his real name is Bob Dobalina, Deadpool number 4, significant appearance. So Bob, Agent of Hydra, uncommon. Let's take a look at the other booster I pulled, and we have here Cannonball. Ooh, we have the Super Rare Prime, Box Ignis. We have a Wolverine, uncommon I think. And then we have Mystic and Iceman. Okay, I also don't have Mystic yet in my collection, but for sure Box Ignis is the highlight of this particular booster. Okay, so definitely lucky to pull Vox Ignis Super Rare Prime. He is good. I'm gonna make a separate video of him, but Super Rare Prime is very hard to pull. For this particular booster, let's take at Mystic rather, because I don't have her yet. And you can see her sculpt here. I like that he has the claws of Wolverine because he's transforming to, I guess, to a Wolverine or from a Wolverine perhaps. But let's take a look. Uncommon, 23, set number. Brotherhood of Mutants, keywords and team ability, assassin, martial artist, and spy. Trait, sorry is such an inadequate word. Stealth, opposing characters within range can't use the X-Men team ability. Interesting. And a special attack power that's 2 you owe me, which is free. Choose a character within range and line of fire, then choose a standard attack or damage power they can use. Mystic can use the chosen power until your next turn. If the chosen character is an opposing character with the X-Men keyword, she may choose a second standard attack or damage power they can use until your next turn. So she can simply copy 1 attack or damage power, or 2 if it's from the X-Men. She has an improved movement character, which is good. 30 points only for 5 clicks. She is a tie-up piece, close combat. Perhaps copy a stealth or copy a senses from an X-Men. And then let's see, Brotherhood team ability. Raven Darkholm is the real name. Wolverine number 62 is the significant appearance. So interesting. I really like this Mystique. So on our second Brick Break participation, I would say we are up and we are doing a good job. So let's join another big break. Bye.